regret, a great adventure. What kind of regret could it have been future? Not going ahead, my hands play a touch. I'm taking this new gate. You bring me so much. Better give it up now somehow. But I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you. I better give it up now somehow. But I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you. Better give it up now somehow. But I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you. I better give it up now somehow. But I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you.
Please be seated. Prynawn da a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff, to the Utilita Arena and to Cardiff University graduation ceremonies for 2025. My name is Gareth Powell, and I have the enormous privilege and joy of being a Pro-Chancellor of the university. We're here today to celebrate and to be joyful at the achievements of our students in the School of Earth and Environmental Sciences and in the School of Engineering. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat. And those of you who are to receive your awards today have demonstrated dedication, commitment, and an enthusiasm to get you to this point. Each of you has the knowledge, the talent, and most importantly, the compassion to become a positive force in an all too troubled world. Students in our School of Earth and Environmental Sciences are now equipped to tackle the most pressing environmental challenges that the globe knows. This year, a final year student from the school was part of the winning team in the university's first ever Science Innovation Challenge, addressing challenges presented by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You are living on a global landscape. Graduates from the School of Engineering have been exploring complex and interdisciplinary engineering problems from the start of your time at the university. And now you leave as technical innovators and creators for the future. But even along the way, you have been proving yourselves in a multiple of forms. For some of you, were part of the top UK team in Formula Student Silverstone, racing last summer, and another team working on the algae bioreactor were winners in the Enactus UK and Ireland in April, and will now represent the UK at the Enactus World Cup in Thailand. I am assuming, that is from a position of ignorance, that those of you who were part of the Silverstone racing last summer will cross the platform today at a rather more moderate stage. But all of you are leaving Cardiff with a qualification that tells the world that you are ambitious, passionate, with creative minds, and committed to the pursuit of knowledge. And so I hope you will embark on the next stage of your journey with all the confidence and enthusiasm that this brings. Thank you for all you have given to the schools and to the wider university. For now, I hope you and all of us who have come today to celebrate your achievements will enjoy the ceremony and savour the moment, reflecting our support of you as the day goes on. I now have the pleasure of introducing Katrin Parry. Catrin will first read a poem commissioned by the university from Wales's inaugural national poet Gwyneth Lewis, which captures something of what we mean by education. And then Catrin will read the proclamation, which will formally declare the ceremony open. I very much hope that you enjoy it. Diolch yn fawr.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio gwellhad y wneud, mynag eisio parchad ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure. Forges an alloy with others' thinking, it is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes as the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarter frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'u hysgol heictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlo'n lwyddiant y rhai sydd yn graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy y cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles bawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek through their achievements to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things and to care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Prynawn da. Catrin Edith Parry ydw I, fi ydi Is-Lywydd y Gymraeg o'r Undeb Myfyrwyr. My name is Catrin Edith Parry, the Vice President Cymraeg from the Students' Union. Caerdydd, mae hi'n anrhydedd i'ch cyfarch chi heddiw. Diwrnod y byddwch chi gyd yn ei gofio am weddill eich bywydau. Cardiff, it's an absolute privilege to address you today, a day which you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your lives. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, so for that I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or have dependents and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you have achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences that you have shared together in the seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities you have embraced, and the relationships that you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that has brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degree that you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learnt, and the growth that you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you've developed and the memories that you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau class of 2025.
Brynhaunda, good afternoon. Athro Wendy Lana Dwi. I'm Professor Wendy Lana, and I have the enormous privilege of being the President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students here to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage, by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even with some whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, "Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations." Toi dyrod raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad holl ffrentiau a ddaw yn esgel llongyffaciadau. I will now introduce Professor Jennifer Pike, the head of the School for Earth and Environmental Sciences, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Jennifer Pike, introduce those who've received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Hetty Ross. I, Professor Jennifer Pike, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Leo Aitchison. Abakur Arden. Mizun Al-Bassam. Zakaria Yahya Kalfan Al-Saibi. Owen John Harold Amendi. Tobias Martin George Andrews. Fleur Baker. Zach Baker. Oliver William Barden. Jessica Lily Barnes. Stanley Black. Helen Blackalla. Hayden Charles Blake. Angelique Brand. Cormac Owen Brennan. Daniel Brettle. Sid Jake Elvis Brewerton. James Burge. Lucy Butcher. Christos Karellis. Kirsten Chelsea Curran. Amber Clark-Flavel. Eve Clifton Thompson. Isabella Clinch. Tom Collier. Lola May Collins. George Thomas Conley. Oscar Cooper. Connor Cosgrove. Louis Felix Peter Cran. Emily Diel. Megan Davies. Oliver Dawson. Sally De Souza. Isabel Dickinson. Beatrice Dominguez Gonzaga. Yanjun Dong. Lucy Hannah May Dover. Tilly Edwards. Owen Evans. Jasmine Everton. Harriet Beatrice Falconer. Kyle Fansay Lam. Eleanor Rahan Farley. Freddie Faskin. Amy Foster. Thomas Freeman Jones. Lucy Frost. Jasmine Gibbons. Elizabeth Amy Goodison. Thomas Leban Gransby. Geffen Grinalja. Ella Grundy. Abdullah Gul Shafi. William Hammersley. Patrick Hanford. Danielle Harding. Josephine Heffernan. Oliver Henley. Grace Hitchcox. Ryan Ho Chi Wen Wei. Luke Holland. Harry Howder. Bo Hosking. Louis Hosking. Chelsea Ellen Hughes. Maxime James Hussein Desenange. Havwen Jenkins. Rowan Jewell. Anwen Jones. Daniel Robert Jones. Connor Keith Kane. Amelie Knott. Tara Kundra. Claudia Quinraid Gail Langdon. Georgia Lane. Megan Lees. Samuel David Lennox. Tyrian Lewis. Finlay Locke. Joshua Lucas. Oliver William Lucas. Yestin Maidment. Dylan James Martin. Harley Martin. Jennifer Massey. Beatrice Helena Masters-Crutch. Georgia May. Ella Metcalf. Edward Millard. Madeline Lucy Milnes. Amber Louise Mills. Monaghan. Grace Morgan Lundy. Samuel George Mediotis. Hannah Mudderman. Ruby Musgrave. James Mitten. Amy Neal. Luke Adam Neenan. Jared Nichols. Owen William Ottery. Georgia Palmer. Isabel Parker Golding. Verity Parnham. Isaac Parsons. Samuel John Payne. Jack William Phillips. Lucy Vivian. Robin Elizabeth Pinnell. Natasha Polling. Ben Powell. Isabel Grace Powell. Thomas Hector Prosser. Elliot Rankmore. Abigail Elizabeth Rees. Joseph Rex. Reese Oliver Reynolds. Samuel Richards. Poppy Richardson. Harry Arthur Kelston Robbins. Benjamin Roberts. Isabel Roberts. Oliver Rudd. Harry Ryan. Senthan Sagar. Lawrence Sharman. Adam Shaw. Hannah Emily Sherman. George Shields. Samantha Joy Smith. Thomas Smith. Ava Statham. Daisy Stewart. Thomas Stokes. Joel Swift. Kelsey Michelle Talbot. Eleanor Clara Tatlow. Louisa Teasdale. Dylan Edward Thomas. James Alareza Thomas. Josh Thomas. Nathan Thomas. Stephen Sean Thomas. Lucy Thompson. Benjamin Robertson Thompson. Laura Thorns. Sophie Thornton. Isabel Sophie Timmis. Flo Tuttle. Rachel Tuck. Yusuf John Khan Tucker. Lydia Elizabeth Tilsley Worcester. Jessica Tyrrell. Emily Florence Vaughan. Maria Rachel Weiss. Heidi Violet Walton. India Ann Wayman. Morgan Weston. Alice Whittaker. Dimitri Wilkes. Thomas Wilkinson. Samuel Vitka. Timothy James Woodman. I, Professor Jennifer Pike, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Science. Dion Clouden. Caspian Dutton Sedman. Amelia Katrina Hubbard. Annie Lloyd Langford. Gautam Shanoja. Eleanor Phoebe St. Clair Smith.
I, Professor Jian Zhongwu, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Engineering. Griffiths Yan. Musa Abdullah Sata. Muhammad No Akwizin Abu Bakr. Yan Yulian Ahadamus. Alexandra Ahadi. Azin Ahmed. Salim Ahmed. Mariam Al-Amani. Ram Al-Hamad. Hassan Al-Wani. Basaha Jamal Al-Dabazi. Asir Al-Habi. Aram Ali. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Tariq Akufan. Elliot Matthew Allen. Muhammad Khalifa Al-Madhuri. Mark Ima Abagan. Tina Amir. Harrison Charles Archer. Will Arnold. Taylor Reese Atwood Williamson. Gunnar Solfadus Babu. Devon Damien Barker. Jack Nicholas Barker. Oliver Grace Ballard. Emma Louise Barr. Sadiraj Bazan. Samaha Bigi Hamid. Hamida Ballo. Ritvik Bahamad Goda. Torin Bird. Owen Robert Bliss. George Thomas Brison. Kan Jopok Bromyat. Emily Kate Bruno. Lawrence Guy Brown. Miles John Malice Buckley. Archie Burnell. Joe Butfield. Luca Miles Campbell. Andrew David Carr. Tom Patterson Chakda. Ethan Seal. Jinlong Chan. Joseph Hitton Chan. Faya Cho Chaudhary. Raphael Ching Chang. Stephanie Allen Clasia. Daniel Peter David Clark. Samantha Rose Coffey. Habib Cole Akani, Kate Colin Murphy, Jack Cromie, Max Cronshaw, Ilo David, Lloyd Davis, Rhys Davis, Ruth Manel de Alameda, Aaron Sin Dillon, Callum Joshua Duckley, Bobby Edwards, Joseph Allens, Freddie Fierce, Ben Fletcher, Sama Ali Fodi, Ayla Ann Holly Gaffin, Ruby Garner, Holly Gavins, Tom Graham, Samuel Graves Jones, Song Yang Ha, Daniel Michael Hancock, Daniel Howe, Film Hindley, Rhiannon Hollingworth, Zihan Huang, Daniel Hassan, Ahmad Mustafa Hossein, Hara Ifan, Katie Jeremiah, Dakshina Jayasingam, Luke Johnson, Hugh Jones, Jack Rhys-Jones, Jonah Jones, Rafnit Kokasi, Wayne Kana, Aaron Philippa Kelly, Kuchwudi Khan Agba Rig Ogu, Patrick Kennedy, Sammy Keel, Yura Khan, 11 Kapari, Ara Children, Alexandra Kingston, Rebecca Kleinholz, Akatario Corino, Halapos Kiskatis, Chiquitita Kiveska, Yuchen Alex Lam, Aya Lanry, Ruan King Cheng Lee, Bethany Lee, Amber Levy, Jen Hao Lee, Andrea Quinlan Lim, Shuna Liu, Yuan Hello Allen, Manting Louis, Thomas Lin Am, Sherman Mahil, Daniel Mahusanko, George Douglas John Matthew, Edward John Mayock, Sarah Claire Mercado, Aaron James McGrory, Mark David John McCoy, Ruan Mia, Kara Alia Mystery, Grace Natasha Morgan, Stephanie Masenji, Rahim Nawaz, Hassan Nazel, Matthew Namri, Chloe Nifito, Rowan Nottingham. Gabriel Alexandra Nusdal Prado Ocao. Mel Anna Colton. David James O'Brien. Yasin Osman. Oleg Opalinsky. Foloramni Matanwa Aniki Oyatudi. Ayush Pandey. Morgan Perry Williams. Joan Simpasia. Crystal Papadakis. Mark Walter Pater. Toby Pitch. Magnus Pearson. Amber Carton, Paul Lauren. Harry Price. James Anthony Quinn. Amanda Rahman. Daniel Robinson. Alexandra Robson. Isaac Dylan George Ross. Finn Elliott Sela. Prasika Sopkata. Liam Scott. Marcus Davis Selwood. Solomon Selwyn. Sajid Saha. Oliver Henry Charles Shergood. Sarah Siddiqui. Ralph Christopher Silverthorne. Lee Posco. Edward James Guy Smale. Joshua Arthur Smith. Joshua David Smith. Lucy Ann Snow. Ben Andrew Sullivan. Hussein Sultan. Alex Sunderland. Emily Jane Taylor. Reese Thomas. Stephen Thomas. Daniel Thomas. Amos Tisley. Alfie Tongley. Jacob Wanda Mara. Vadonika Vasileva. Nielsen Wadbos. Charlie Dominic Goldwyn Wirch. Sarah Wizard. Brian Richard Watkins. James Allen Webb. William West. Harry White. Jacob David White. Michael Marcus Wong. Ben Thomas Wood. Thomas Wright. Marcus Yan. Kirby Young. I, Professor Jianzhong Wu, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Engineering. Mariam Mustafa Yunis Abdesamad. Mustafa Al-Hafawada. Imogen Anderson. Mary Anderton. Neil Arthur. Tristan Alexandra Barnett. Abdul Arizim. Emily Rose Brickerhead. Tom Boyne, Joseph Matthew Norman Brickell, Victoria Bridge Galveth, Ty Cameron Robertson, Oliver King Hang Chung, Phil Michael Golden Coast, Dominic Riscoy, Thomas John Daniels, Gani Alexandra Davis, Thomas Davis, Luke Edward Downing, Oluvati Mihain Olufushu Eden, George James Edwards, Tom Quentin Evans, Tara Milleyfield, Aaron Thomas Fox, Feng Ji Yao, Gareth Basmati Cusino, James David Gill, Dylan Reese Gittins, Samuel John Griffin, Emma Gregor, Benjamin Bunlock, Lucia Mary Harris, Charlie Maximilian Hayward, Frederick Oliver Hatcoat Habbins, Kazi Fazia Hosinera, Catherine Thiwi, Samra Isa, Case and Jamie Avery, Run Kai Jia, Samuel Brandley Jones, Ian Lulova Joshua, Ahmad Akil Keita, Kelly Kenzit, Takun Simon Curtin Johnson, Fawaz Khan, Valeria Kolosawa, Peter Krutonovich, Mark Kresoff, Chrissy Shino Krikos, Benjamin Leah, Yves Leiden, William Lee, Sean Madden, Atia Majid, Victor Manshevsky, Jonathan Mather, Aaron Nicole McCade, Joshua Buckingham McSweeney, Oscar Mees, Mali Rezidi Mel, Louis Robert Medwith, Aaron Mills, Omar Mira, Scott Mooring, Luke Moss, Florence O'Farah, Abdullah Oche, Mankan Papa, Rebecca Parker, Jack Allen Paddington, Sean Pinto, Jay Porter, James Brindle, Danny Wapush, Danipawa Puchpawatan, Adam Redding, Nanis Chloe Razzo, Sophie Louise Rose, Declan Ross, Marco Sakaki, Hussein Sakwet, Taku Sibanda, Michael Donald Slavin, Benjamin Snape Stonson, Ethan Souza, William Stallman, Lyndon Strangeway, Jack Tatum, Dylan Thorburn, Fiona Sopre, Jack William Trickerband, Solian Twentyman, Daniel Yusu Eta, Joe Waite, Will Watt, Jack Warwick, Tyler Weber, Samuel Mark Wildgoose, Dylan James Williams, Ewan James Williams, Megan Michelle Williams, Oliver Wiltshire, Heyman Wong, the Vice Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toir ar dyrod a raddwyd y mi gan y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hoffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Harry Burke, Harry Farley, I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Souza Abdi, Fionn Haf Adicott, Hatham Al-Farsi, Usama bin Alim, Muhammad Ali, Robert Mark Alsop, Sinin Ayez, Yaman Al-Zarami, Joshua Amazige, Gosambanu Samira Ansari, Mohammed Zainuddin Aqil Muqaddam. Dylan Armitage. Abdul Majid Turki Atobari. Hamza Azam. Abdullah Nadim Azar. Benjamin Bennett. Carly Bennett. Grishma Kandram. Alex Chapman. Rivathi Chikra Lekha Suresh Kumar. Logan Clancy. Oliver Thomas Koch. Ella Cooney. Joseph David Cox. Hubert Antonio Rui de Barros. Siti Santosh Doka. Girish Dinge. Tom Edwards. Jaleh Chaturvedi. Lorraine May Philippe. Nusrat Firdos. Omar Mohammed Omar El Tahir. Sheldon Fernandez. Drushtad Digamaba Gaitwad. Courtney Garbutt. Ashwathi Geetha. Gabriel Geroux. Nicola Gully. Alec Hammond. William Hankinson. Rina Hashimi. Alexander Hay. Thomas Hicks. Daniel William Hill. Musab Zubair Inamdar. Lalsang Zual Al-Jahar. Samuel Stephen. Harry Kenali. Cheheria Amhad Khan. Chetali Vijay Kineji. Bandana Kuvapa. Zikai Ma. Ronaldo Mehari Raja Lawrence. Zanetos Malouris. Hamid Mazulumi. James Ashley Middleton. Cariad Morgan. Jivan Deepak Narajana Swami. Eshwara Narendra Rao Pawar. Nikalwi Kishtana Nick Ghazali. Stephen O'Donnell. Elias Nefwed Owen. William Owens. Neruja Pawar. Lalith Kumar Penromal Sami. Advith Goda Purnachandra. Thibaut Poulan. Rija Raji. Lauren Ralphs. Satkith Kiruba Ravaharan. Julian Pierre Christian Rees. Louis Ringrose. Mercedes Robert Edison. Lauren Joanne Rogers. Frankie Simon Rolfe. Jake Rowlands. Shaima Sabina Hubaid. Prajwal Chandra Sekra Pseti. Shavari Shelk. Onkar Vijay Shinde. James Alexander Arthur Steele. Vasil Tampaku. Xingxuan Tan. Jizu Tao. Ashutosh Tapari. Rosie Hannah Taylor. Piers Noah Van Straten. Siddhartha Van Kardiai. Tuat Kong, Kenneth. Benjamin Woodhouse. Abdulaziz Yakadar. Rui Zhao. Xiaoquan Zhao. Fedra Zika. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toir a dydod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Majid Al-Mukhari. Dr. Madhawi Al-Jawi. Dr. Musa Al-Rashid. Dr. Abdullah Abdulrahman Al-Sharani. Dr. James Bain. Dr. Robert Batson. Dr. Cece Bay. Dr. Joseph Kevin Cannon. Dr. Rachel Clark. Dr. Shikun Chen. Dr. Chiani Ku. Dr. William Doherty. Dr. Christopher Dyer. Dr. Inge Etheridge. Dr. Mohammed Musa Mohammed El-Jabali. Dr. Shad Zay M. Hejazi. Dr. Felipe Hejibo. Dr. Adnan Hussain. Dr. Llewellyn Rhys-Hughes. Dr. David Rhys-Jones. Dr. Matthew Jordan. Dr. Rachel Joyce. Dr. Derek Kozel. Dr. Maxwell McFarlane. Dr. Anharad Sean Miles. Dr. Adrian Lewis Stephen Montiel. Dr. Mohammed Mustafa. Dr. Abigail Rose Palima. Dr. Alan Rodin. Dr. Prasad Rahmani. Dr. Charles Routleff. Dr. Romi Sabathi. Dr. Sina Sayadi. Dr. Sophie Millicent Slater-Lewis. Dr. Guglielmo Soniro Soreseo. Dr. Laura Spencer. Dr. Mercedes Rowena Stringer Martin. Dr. Menhui Tran. Dr. Olivia Walker. Dr. Suleiman Yunus. Dr. Shui Zhu. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Toi ardodod a raddwyd y mi gan y brifysgol, dybaniach chi y gael ec dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Well, Prinhan Dao Baub. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is TJ Rowlinson. I'm the university's Director of Development and Alumni Relations. And how wonderful to see all these freshly minted alumni in front of me. This part of the ceremony celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales, and the world. And today, we recognize Dr. Chi Kyung Lau, CK, himself a proud Cardiff graduate, with the award of an honorary fellowship. Dr. Lau's success is a part of your day's success. Dimagifli inodi ein hedmeged an bochter, an diolch wrth gyflwyno, comradoriadau a graddau anrhydedd. CK graduated from University College Cardiff in 1978 with a BSc in Civil and Structural Engineering. He worked for Wallace Evans and Company and gained his ICE Chartered Engineering qualification. He then went to Cambridge University, first for an MPhil, then for a PhD, both in soil mechanics. Next, he worked at W.S. Atkins in increasingly senior roles, and CK received various prizes and scholarships during his studies. His career as a civil engineer progressed fast, but he soon proved that he is also a talented entrepreneur and businessman. In the 1990s, CK returned to Hong Kong, where he and his two brothers co-founded the company now known as Xingqi Holdings Limited. Xingqi is a holistic construction business from concept to planning, from design and architecture to foundation works, from construction and fitting out all the way to the handover of keys. Xingqi Holdings handles dozens of projects each year, mostly in Hong Kong, but increasingly in China. And CK has another feather to his bow. For decades, he has worked as a university adjunct professor, over time working at all three of Hong Kong's major universities. He's also remained an enthusiastic and loyal Cardiff alum, hosting a refreshed Cardiff Hong Kong alumni chapter event last year and supporting cancer research here at the university. CK is an exemplar to all the graduates here today. His success is built on engineering talent and passion and a commitment to excellence. He is a true son of Cardiff. So, I will now present this distinguished individual who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University, first in Welsh and then in English. Anrhydeddes is ganghellor. Cyflwynodd I chi I rai sydd i'w derben yn gymrodir anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Vice Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Chi Kyung Lau to be accepted as Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
Toi ardyrodd a raddwyd y mi gen y cengo. Dyfani a ci faw cymrawd yn redeth Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Vice-Chancellor Professor Wendy Liner, members of the university, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, I am both honored and humbled by the honorary fellowship bestowed on me by my alma mater today. I came to Cardiff to read civil engineering exactly 50 years ago. Cardiff has been my second home, and I have benefited immensely from my time spent here. I have tried to explain my experience here to others in plain English, but I am lost for words to explain it clearly until I read a story on particle size distribution, and I'm going to share the story with you now. One day, an expert in time management was speaking to a group of students, and to drive home a point, used an illustration those students will never forget. As he stood in front of the class, he said, "Okay, time for a quiz." He then pulled out a 1-gallon wide-mouthed mason jar and set it on the table in front of him. Then he produced about a dozen fist-sized rocks and carefully placed them one by one into the jar. When the jar was filled to the top and no more rock would fit inside, he asked, "Is this jar full?" Everyone in the class said, yes. Then he said, really? He reached out under the table and pulled out a bucket of gravel. Then he dumped some gravel in and shook the jar, causing pieces of gravel to work themselves down into the space between the big rock. Then he asked the class once more, is this jar full? By this time, the class was onto him. Probably not, one of them answered. Good, he replied. He reached under the table and brought out a bucket of sand. He started dumping the sand in the jar, and it went into all the spaces left behind the rock and the gravel. Once more, he asked the question, is this jar full? No, the class shouted. Once again, he said, good. Then he grabbed a pitcher of water and began to pour the water in until the jar was filled to the brim. Then the expert in time management looked at the class and asked, what's the point of this illustration? One eager student raised his hand and said, the point is, no matter how full your schedule is, if you really try hard enough, you can always fit some more things in it. No, the speaker replied, that's not the point. The truth this illustration teaches us is this. If you don't put the big rock in first, you will never get them in at all. Ask yourself this question, what are the big rocks? Then put those in the jar first. Fellow graduates, I can assure you your education in Cardiff have equipped you well and will open doors for you in whatever new ventures you may pursue. May I take this opportunity to wishing you all the success in your new ventures. Thank you.
Very many congratulations to all of you who have this afternoon received your awards. I have a suspicion that we have witnessed the conferring of a PhD on possibly the youngest candidate ever in the history of the university. The Vice-Chancellor, I suspect, will want a conversation to see whether the candidate is now research active, and the head of school will be in touch shortly. Cardiff alumni, as we have heard through the distinguished and breathtaking biography of our newest honorary fellow, are truly global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles. Others are equally significant, making a quiet, solid contribution to local communities, all of which is a requirement of a university and a caring world. Cardiff has, I trust, given you much more than a degree, but you have been encouraged to ask questions, to challenge conventional wisdom, and you have shown a remarkable willingness, a determination, and a spirit that are the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. For some of you, of course, today may be tinged with a slight degree of sadness in that you may now be leaving Cardiff, leaving this vibrant, colourful, diverse city that has been the backdrop to your university experience. But Cardiff University is always your university. And wherever your professional life takes you, we hope that you will become a flag bearer for the university, carrying forward our values of kindness, of generosity of spirit, and of human inquiry. There is a Welsh word which aptly sums up something of today, hiraeth. It does not translate easily into English, but it conveys a deep sense of place, of longing, of love, and of the things of the heart. I very much hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, and that you will stay in touch with us and with one another. With that in mind, I very much hope that you will want to participate in a new university tradition, the reunion. We're launching the big reunion weekend and holding the first such event in July 2026. Please come back to Cardiff. Come back to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. For we want our alumni to stay in touch, to remain connected, to return to a place where friendships have been forged and where intellectual passions have been ignited. And we want to help you build a social and professional network that will be with you for the rest of your lives. So come back next year, and for the milestone anniversaries of your graduations, there will be a much larger party for your 5th reunion, your 10th, your 20th, and so on. And who knows, in the spirit of our honorary fellow, you might be here in 50 years' time, reflecting on a very significant contribution to the world. So I hope some of you will want to volunteer to be captains for these events and to play your part in encouragement and nurture and continued exploration. Today, of course, has not only marked your hard work, but it's marked the hard work of a range of other individuals, some of whom are present on the platform behind me. An enormously talented, tolerant, and research-active community of scholars who form the staff of this university. And behind the scenes, the professional services who are rarely seen but make the whole thing work. But it's not just the contribution of staff. You are present today with a range of people, friends, supporters, and families who have kept you going during the course of your degrees and your studies. They've rejoiced with you, and I dare say wept with you, kept you going through late-night conversations, and one or two of them might also have been making possible the odd bank transfer. But we'll gloss over that today, although I do hope you will buy them one last meal. And whatever you do, order the most expensive thing on the menu, because if you can't do that today, you're never going to be able to do it for the rest of your lives. And so I would like those of you who have received your award to participate now in a tradition of these ceremonies. If you are able, would you please stand and give a very loud round of applause to say thank you to everyone who has supported you. Thank you. Would you please sit down? I hope that the rest of your day is one of celebration, one of positive reflection, and of gratitude for all that you have achieved and experienced. We will now watch a short film which welcomes you to the Cardiff alumni family. And at the conclusion of that, would you please stand as the platform party leaves, and as you then leave for the rest of your celebrations. Diolch yn fawr.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far, the late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o'r hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment. Look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.